So let's say you have a cabinet door and it looks like this. And the reason why it looks like this is because you have a loose screw on your hinge. Now clearly you could tighten the screw back up, but since it's loose, what will happen is it'll just pull back out again. So how do you fix that? Well, you can fix it with a couple of toothpicks and either a screwdriver or a cordless drill. So let me show you how. Alright, the first thing you have to do is take out the screw, get that out of the way, then flip your hinge out of the way. Then you take your toothpick and you stick it in the hole to fill the wood, and you may have to put it in there a couple of times like so. I'm breaking it off flush. See if I can get one more bit in there. Nope, that's probably tight enough. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, so now the hole is full of wood from the toothpick. So what I'll do is I'll flip this back here, and then I will take my drill, put the screw back on it, and whenever I put the screw back in, now that there's some wood there, it will hold, and voila, cabinet door is fixed.